So I am Dr. Neeraj Suri from Evara Hospital, and today we are very excited about, me and myself and the Evara team is very excited about this whole Nexa launch, and it is something we have been looking forward to, and with so many years of experience in the implants and after doing so many surgeries, I feel this is something which magical has come into my hands, and I would love to implant every child with Nexa, because it is something having a firmware upgrade system, which is a Nexa chip, where it will keep on getting upgrades on its own as the future technology will expand. And I feel that Nexa is where the sky is also not the limit. So whatever will keep on coming in will get upgrades in the Nexa chip itself, which will be today we are operating the children at less than 1 year of age, and in future when they will turn 30 or 40, this implant system, the Nexa chip, will be getting upgrades on its own, and it's something to which every surgeon or every clinic will be looking forward to, because I think that makes us very much carefree, that if we are not even around, the child will and the person which will be like in an adult will be getting the upgrades. And I think it's one of the biggest blessing that we are able to give them something that even when we are not around, they are getting the upgrades and they are happy about it, and looking forward to it. And with the cochlear, the research that's going on, looking forward to much more innovations and more technologies coming in and helping more and more patients.